Setting up routes with Next.js is done through the Pages folder. So here I have added a new page, page 1, and that means that we will now have a page, a route should I say, here, page 1. Oh, okay, first I need to run my dev environment, of course. So npm run dev to set things up. So yeah, let's go to page 1 and welcome to page 1. So fantastic, it works. And as you can see, it just basically mimics or mirrors the file system here. Page 1, page 1. And inside there we have welcome to page 1. Now if we want to link internally to this page 1, we need to import link from next/link. And then we add a link component, and we can prefetch it if we like. I don't know why we wouldn't, unless we know that page 1 is very unpopular. And then / whatever the path is, in this case page 1, page -1. We also need to add a anchor tag in there, which may be a little strange because using, I think it was a React router, we don't need that. But in this case we do. We can't just put text inside there, which I don't really mind. It means we can style the anchor tag or whatever. But anyway, I digress. So let's take a look and see what we have now in our hello world. So if we go to the root route, we have page 1, welcome to Next.js. If we click on page 1, which is our link, it takes us to welcome to page 1. So it's really that easy. And you can just continually nest folders inside here, which will add further and further, more and more routes. There is further documentation here. I'll add that to the description. There's quite a few nice advanced features you can use as well. So thanks for watching and see you next time.